Let's talk about the Artemis II mission and its tiniest astronaut. Yeah, it's been over 50 years, but humans are finally heading back to the moon. And the crew, they're making history with some incredible firsts for deep space exploration. It's a 10-day trip, basically a flyby, to test all the systems we'll need out there. But beyond the human crew, there's another astronaut on board. A virtual one. Meet the organ chip. It's the heart of a super cool experiment called Avatar. Think of it like this. It's a tiny, living model of a human system on a microchip. So why bone marrow? Well, it's basically a great snapshot of our body's overall health. And NASA needs this data to keep astronauts safe, especially for those long trips to Mars. The experiment is pretty straightforward. See exactly what deep space does to human cells. They're really looking at two big things, radiation and the effects of microgravity. This is going to give us our most detailed look yet at how space affects blood cells. And what's so cool is how this mission helps both in space and right here on Earth. Seriously, what we learn way out there could lead to major medical breakthroughs down here. It kind of makes you wonder, right, that exploring the unknown really does benefit all of us.